How do you say yes in Irish? If you are planning a trip to Ireland and want to connect with the locals, learning a few Irish language phrases can be quite helpful. One common question travelers ask is, how do you say yes in Irish? This is an interesting topic because, unlike English, the Irish language does not have a direct word for yes. Instead, you respond affirmatively by using the positive form of the verb in the question. Let's break this down. In Irish, questions can be structured in two main ways. One way is by using and followed by a noun. For example, if someone asks you, "And Marisanak too?" which means, "Are you an American?" you would respond with "Is Marisanak me?" meaning "I am an American." A shorter way to affirm this is by saying "Is ia," pronounced like sha, which translates to "it is" or "that is." Now, if the question involves a verb such as "and fuel to an," meaning "Are you there?" your response would be "Tommy," which means "I am." Here, ta is the positive form of the verb be, which means to be. For travelers, using these affirmative responses can show respect for the local culture and language. For instance, if someone asks, "Are mhaithli cupan te?" which means, "Would you like a cup of tea?" you can respond with "Ba mhaithli cupan te," meaning "I would like a cup of tea." You can also keep it simple and just say "Ba mhaithli which means "I would like." To make the most of your trip, here are some tips. First, learn a few basic phrases like "Daya dit," which means "hello," and "Go ravma agat," meaning "thank you." Knowing how to say yes in Irish can really enhance your interactions. Also, remember to use contextual responses. Always try to answer in a way that reflects the structure of the question, whether it involves a noun or a verb. Lastly, practice pronunciation. Irish pronunciation can be quite different from English, so listening to native speakers can help you get it right. By incorporating these phrases into your conversations, you can enrich your travel experience in Ireland and connect more meaningfully with the local culture. So, the next time someone asks you a question in Irish, you will be ready to respond with confidence.